Hi everyone!
Welcome back to another episode of
Relationships and friendship.
Another episode of
Ask me maybe!
I am your host, I'm Ace, I'm a year 2 computer engineering student.
And I'm Chloe from Media Arts Design Year 2.
And this is the show where you guys ask the questions and we give you the answers. So our first question for today is, I'm in a relationship where every time I want to go out with my friends, my girlfriend gets irritated / upset. What should I do? Wait, I don't know who's the bigger red flag here. How often are you going out is the real question. Like, to what degree is she upset? I don't like what you're doing, or like straight up ghosting. Actually, wait, are you attached by the way?
Oh yeah, I am.
Okay, wait, so if your boyfriend was this guy and then he started going out with his friends a lot and then he doesn't tell you, how will you feel? Actually, that's quite bad
That's pretty bad if he
okay,
actually
like,
doesn't
if he does tell you
inform.
if he tells you where he's going and like what time he'll be back. So it's like the trade-off is just he's not spending time with you. How will you feel?
Bro, I'll be okay with it, like for sure. But if he doesn't tell me, then that's a bit suspicious. Like,
Okay, yeah,
that's a reason
fair.
for me to actually be upset.
Actually, yeah, it just looks sus if you don't say anything.
I think they have to communicate with each other. Yeah.
First lesson of today. Communication is key. This is my continuation
Especially with
from
your partner.
the last video's lessons.
The real thing is, does he really know that the girlfriend is really upset by
like,
the
like,
fact
did he
that
ask, did he actually
Yeah,
ask, or is
it
it
might
just
be
like
something else.
she's busy, he goes out, then she cannot text him, and then he's like, oh, my girlfriend upset with me. Step 2, don't overthink. Actually, for both parties, if you're both either the guy or the girl, I think you should just like communicate or make an attempt to do so.
So this person asked, I've been too obsessed with my celebrity crush Ryan Ross that I can't seem to find anyone in real life attractive anymore. Is this healthy? Sad emoji and heartbroken emoji.
Okay, that's a question. Who is Ryan Ross?
George Ryan Ross Tree is an American musician, singer, and songwriter best known for his work as the former lead guitarist, backing and
Wait, oh yeah!
of American rock band Panic at the Disco.
Like if you think about it, this is like a Singaporean 17 to 21-year-old, right? They're probably never gonna meet Ryan Ross.
Hey,
in person.
do not say that. Concerts are a thing.
Okay, are they gonna talk to him?
Probably not.
I don't know if it's a healthy thing to be like crushing over someone that.
But the problem is that they can't seem to find anyone in real life attractive. My advice is like to separate the, what is it called? Yes. Of your celebrity crush and differentiate it with real like people. No, like people who are like maybe in your school.
In your proximity.
If you are obsessed with Ryan Ross, maybe you can find someone who is like into music, like into the same
like a
music as
guitarist or
you.
something.
Maybe someone who's like also obsessed with Ryan Ross but is your type.
Someone asked, how do I make good friends in SP? I find it hard because I'm so introverted and it takes me a while to open up to people. I also feel that people sometimes don't reciprocate. I think it's just someone talking about like poly culture and like cliques and whatnot.
How was your first day in SP, Ace?
Like the first friend group I ever had from SP, I was just straight up eating food in orientation. So like day 1, it just happened. But for those coming to SP, orientation is a good place to start. Don't miss orientation, it's fun.
Especially freshman orientation camp, like those like optional ones.
The optional ones.
You should totally go for it. It says something about, I also feel that people sometimes don't.
I think the idea is just like
No.
to be okay with rejection, I guess. You can't possibly just like vibe with everybody, yeah. So I think it's fair if people don't reciprocate. I think it's something that like you shouldn't take as a problem if you
Friends, they always come along the way. You just have to be yourself. You don't have to like act like somebody else to get someone's approval, like in terms of friendship. This is the second tip.
Oh yeah, this the. Wait, no. What? Where are we on? First was
Communicate.
communicate. Second was don't
Don't overthink. Third one, yes. It's
Okay, yeah, the third one.
What did I say? The one, be yourself.
Yeah,
Be
be
yourself.
yourself.
Be yourself. At first, it's always very.
I think the initial stages is.
But eventually, this is tip 4. Ask questions, because questions will help you guide the conversation.
That's a bit harder for guys.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like for like a lot of stereotypical male friend groups have this dynamic where it's kind of just like either talking about their shared interests or like things that they do for fun together or like work-based stuff. I think like there's not much more like deeper communication between like male friend groups in like poly age, I think.
Does your friend group like not really talk about these types of questions?
I think like for me, I think these questions and like these like conversations, they are a lot more exclusive to like friends I've had for a really long time. So like, I still have friends from some primary school, and I think those are the ones where like men typically have the more deeper connections with. Because I think like these things are just hard to build in like a short span of time. This is like a longer time thing, like longer time frame.
Tip number 5, emotionally connect with your peers. So like instead of asking all those superficial questions, y'all can like ask about like how's their well-being, how you're feeling, stress-wise and all that, and y'all can trauma bond together.
Trauma bond.
So this person asked, how you get quality friendships in poly, like spending quality time together, sharing different things with each other. Since poly, you'll meet so many people. I mean, you'll meet a lot of people.
Confirm, yeah, you'll definitely meet more people than secondary school. It's not necessarily a good thing though, because like meeting more people means you're more spread out with friend groups.
Wait, I don't view it that way. Yeah, like I have like a bunch of friend groups in poly, but like what I do is I find time for each like friend group to spend time on. Like I have my theatre friends, I have CSCC friends, I have Foundry friends, then I have like my current specialization friends. We usually just find time during like sem break or term break together, or we just text. Texting is like, I wouldn't say like quality time in real life, but it's quality time through like online.
Like yeah,
Or,
like you're engaging with
when you
people,
play games.
Oh yeah, that too.
Yeah, sometimes I play games with my friends at night, and then like maybe Marvel Rivals, you know.
That's
Hey.
I have thoughts about the game lah. The question kind of just like assumes that like it just happens. But I think like you need to maintain it, and
it's not just the individual, it's also your friends. We
Yeah,
have to
I guess the
maintain
dynamic.
it. Tip number 5, friendship is magic. It takes not only just one person, it takes everyone. I mean this everyone, okay?
Rainbow Dash and Applejack.
I think sem break is the best time to reconnect with like difficult friend groups or difficult like friendships with busy schedules.
If you are all in the same school, exam season is also really good because now everyone is dying together. The amount of people you're meeting, you're probably also gonna meet some toxic people on the way. Like make toxic friends, right?
They're unskippable.
Unskippable ad. 15 second unskippable ad.
Unescapable! Oh my god. There are always a lot of good people in poly to be friends with. You just need to find them.
Lesson number 6, there's many fishes in the sea.
Yeah.
There's many seas.
Don't worry about meeting so many people. Honestly, I think it's a good thing. It just depends on like whether or not y'all like spend time together and maintain.
There's many My Little Ponies on the grass. 3, 2, 1.
PDA.
Okay, cool.
We agree. Who would want to see them fight? It's so awkward.
Assuming you're a trio, right? Like in a trio setting, you feel like you need to break it up, right? Like you feel like you need to do something.
But the thing is, like, it's not your business. That's the
Like
thing.
it's not your business, but you're at the table with them. PDA is just like close your eyes up.
I'll just like do my own thing. Let y'all whatever.
You're studying, you move to the next table. And
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Loud extroverted. Oh wait, that's okay. Why did you choose extroverted?
Why I chose extrovert?
Yeah.
It's just more lively, hee hee ha ha fun, and then like shout out for fun.
I mean, I choose because chaotic energy. You have two, because I'm an extrovert myself, and like with two extrovert in like the same room, it's about to go crazy.
It sounds like we're gonna fight, bro.
Oh no,
It's
not
gonna go
fight.
crazy.
No, like it'll go crazy in a good way. Like a lot of shouting, a lot of happiness. You know, like Pinkie
A lot
Pie.
of shouting.
And like bonding.
People won't remember how smart you are or how hard you work. They remember how you made them feel.
Okay, deep. I really don't know.
I guess you just answer the friendship advice.
Friendship advice.
Because I don't have question. I don't have an answer for that. The 5 lessons we talked about today. The 5 lessons we talked about today. Lesson number 6. There's many fishes in the sea.
I feel like, yeah, it is the 5 lessons we talked about. Because the advice I usually give is to people. Okay, I got it. Watch My Little Pony, all 9 seasons. Every episode there's a friendship advice. Just, yeah, watch that.
The friendship advice was the friends we made along the way.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this episode on relationships and friendships for Ask Me Maybe. So please subscribe,
Follow, share, repost, save, send to WhatsApp, share to 3 people. And
Watch My
family
Little
group chat.
Pony also.
Share to your family group chat.
Yeah. This is Ace and Chloe
Signing off.
signing off.
Bye-bye.
Bye.